Many-time ISSA Headley Cup champions Stets were on their way to victory in their chase of 88 for victory against the Woolmers boys in the final of the ISSA T20 cricket competition at Sabina Park. Earlier, Woolmers were restricted to 87 for 7 off their 20 overs, with captain Justin Beckford being the bright spark for them with an unbeaten 48. Let's now head to Sabina Park for live coverage of the final on TVJ's Sports Network.
A lot of chattering behind the stumps. I can tell you, they know they're up for this is Woolmers.
This is hit out to deep mid-wicket. It should pierce the gap for 4. It does. Overpitched. Well, it didn't pitch. And Williams made full use of that opportunity to get his first boundary. Stets are on their way, playing the situation and not the noises.
Yeah, a loose delivery there from Mackenzie, a rare loosener from the youngster. But Williams was equal to the task. Keeping his eye on that one. Most importantly is that he hit that mid-wicket gap. That was key.
Oh, that one kept a little bit low to end the over. End of over number 12. It's 56 for 3. And Stets, as much as they have lost 2 quick wickets, and they are well in control of this contest. They need 32 from 48 balls. Malik Williams smiles after getting his first boundary. Anil Braham, he is 1 from 3. The captain, and would love to take his team over the line. Justin Beckford did as much as he could for Woolmers in batting to the end. But Braham is in control of this contest now for Stets. 32 runs needed from 48.
It's important a player like Braham would have taken needs to take probably a note out of the book of Justin Beckford as to how he would have shouldered responsibility for his team, and that is going to be left to see if he can pretty much equal what Justin Beckford did as it relates to shouldering responsibility. I just think though that Woolmers, they need a few more wickets here. You look at the equation, 32 runs to get, definitely needs to get probably 2 wickets or 3.
This is in the air to mid-wicket and taken. Oh, that is so soft from Braham. He just poked that delivery back to the man at mid-wicket. And Jordan Johnson strikes again. The first delivery off is over. Nikolai Mackenzie in the contest once again. Braham is disappointed, and he should be. It was a rank long hop from Johnson that could have been hit anywhere. And he just pushed it straight to the man at mid-wicket. As easy as you like. It's not Sunday, but it felt like that for Nikolai Mackenzie.
Yeah, it's a really good catch. He's bowled well, is Nikolai Mackenzie. And now it's showing that he is growing as a cricketer.